Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is operating revenue. Now, the revenue of a company in its normal operations of buying and selling something is the normal operating revenue. Operating revenue generally excludes discounts and weird things that happen during a quarter or year. Stuff that happens outside of operating revenue is like you sell a building, you're a company that owns it, and it's part of your revenue, but it's not your normal operations. Think of operating revenue as the normal operations. If you're a candy company, you make candy, you sell candy, operating revenue. If you're a candy company and you sell one of your buildings because you have two of them, you get revenue from that, but it's not operating revenue. Today's word is operating revenue.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.